round the 6-1 record, your thoughts about it?
Well, first round is a really tough one for us. We really learned a lot from here, but I'm telling my players that going to the second round is going to be tougher. It will not be easy for us going to the second round, so we really have to put more effort, to put more sacrifices, and to have a bigger faith in the Lord. He will always give us strength, wisdom, power, and courage. So we thank the Lord for the first round. We learned a lot, and we hopefully the positivity and the energy will manifest going to the second round.
Hey, Bea, congratulations for this win. What's your thoughts about ending the first round with a 6-round record?
We're very happy, of course. Like what Coach said, it's only about to get harder. So, ang mindset namin ngayon, tapos na yung first round, we have to work double time. Kung ano man yung tinabaho namin ng first round, kailangan double talaga kasi the teams are still about to beat. And the teams are gonna fight harder kasi it's close na. So, we're very, very happy, but it's, now pa lang, kailangan na focus na kagad sa susunod na.
Same, I think the second round will definitely be harder because of all the adjustments of the teams, and I know that the first round was really a team effort, and I think we earned it by working together and really following the system, and we're going to have to continue that, but also adjust because the teams will only come out stronger.
Coach, you anticipated a strong fight from NU kahit puro sila rookies. You opened this game with 13 errors when you first set. Ano po yung naging struggle na?
Well, sabi nung isa kong player, second guess niya. But purpose dito, what happened in the first round is, we know we can do it. We know we can maximize our strength. But of course, NU coming from a good win last week, yung momentum is still there. The energy, the intensity is still there. I anticipated it. I already told my players that they will coming out strong. They will be coming out with pure intensity. But I'm telling them, just show your character. Now, yes, first set nga, yun nga, show nila yung character, pinakita nila yung character nila sa amin na they're really a team to beat. So, they're really a talented rookies yung mga yun, and then matatapang maglaro. And then, coaching staffs are really seasoned coaches also. So I just told my players na just play the right way, play the Ateneo way, nothing to worry about. We just have to follow the system and show the character. Luckily, yung resilience ng mga players ko, Kat, Madi, Bea, Dina, and everybody showed na lumabas yung second set.
For the players, Coach told you last time that you should never let up despite facing a rookie-laden NU squad. What are the challenges posed to you by this young?
Rookie sila eh. So, alam mo yun, they're very eager. I remember my first year, all I wanted to do was, get the best shots, enjoy every moment. So, yun yung kalaban mo today, the enthusiasm that they have for the games. And I really commend them. Talagang, they showed us that despite being rookies, kaya nila magsabayan sa veterans and all of the teams in the UAAP actually. But yeah, good that we came out strong, but that was tough. That was one of the toughest things played for me actually. Kasi it's tougher to play a team that's, alam mo, very loose. Talagang bahala na, kapag ko to, enjoy lang kami. And I commend them a lot. So, good fight for them.
Yeah, I think the NU team was really strong. Just considering their mindset was that for me, I think they have nothing to lose. They can beat an older team, and I think it was kind of a wake-up call in the first set, just seeing how they play, and I think they did a really good job, and that was also for me one of the hardest games for the first round, just because of the way they fought. And I think it's just their mentality that they have nothing to lose. I mean, if they win, it's a good boost for them. If they lose, it's their rookie, so it's not like as much pressure for us. And also, since we're also trying to get that top spot.
Coach, si Bea po at si Madi nagsasabay na ng magandang laro. Yung mga wins niyo po yung po nagpo-produce na. What do you want to see from this team moving forward sa second round?
Well, sabi ko, moving forward, sabi nga ni Bea, we really have to put to double their effort. And yung intensity nila dapat mas lalo tumaas. And of course, Bea, Maddie, Kat cannot do it alone. Talagang nakita naman natin yung effort ni Lina, yung risk ni Lina. And then, yung improvement ni Kim, ni Pongre, tsaka ni Jules, and then players coming from the bench. I guess, nagkakaroon na sila ng confidence going to every match, nagkakaroon sila ng confidence. So, with that, gumagamit yung trabaho ng mga leaders, ni Kat, ni Bea, ni Maddie, because they know na yung mga supporters, yung mga na sumusupport sa kanila, will always be there to help them also. So, ngayon, they're mindful na sa sarili nilang laro. So, hopefully, everybody should pick at the right time, should have the 100% mindset and energy at the right time coming the second round.
Coach, speaking of your season 1, did you expect this from heading into the season? You guys were parang new coach tayo, parang medyo the situation?
No, sabi ko nga, di ba, the other interview sa amin, we didn't expect that we're here. Yun nga, we started the tournament slow, so we just have to work every practice, every match, that it seems that it's our last match of our life. So yun lang importante sa amin. So we really have to practice and play like it's our last practice or last match of our life. So yun ang mindset namin. So ganun din yung mga seniors ko. They're really doing more every practice, doing more every game. That's what Ateneo values are all about. The Asian values of giving matches in everything we do. Being better than our best always. Yan ang mindset namin. So siguro yun ang lagi namin i-show, yung magic in ourselves.
Coach Bea, not only got the points again, magandang points niya, but yung leadership sa team niya, what can you say about it? Kay Bea, 13 points siya today, tapos yung leadership niya. What can you say?
Our leadership ni Bea? Well, I never doubted the leadership of Bea ever since. Kaya nga, sobrang lucky namin na naglaro siya for our 5th year. So, sino bang players, yung player yung mag-sacrifice ng gigising ng maaga, maglilid ng team, matutulog ng gabing-gabi para lang sa team. So, that in itself is a leadership. That in itself is an example of being a leader. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, great sacrifice will give you great outcome. Enormous sacrifice will give you enormous outcome. So, we don't mind kung anong result kasi result will come. Kasi importante, they know their role, Bea knows their role, Kat knows their role, Maddie knows their role, and they're helping each other do their role. Yun ang pinaka-importante. So, leadership, I never doubted her. I never doubted Maddie's leadership. I never doubted Kat's leadership. I never doubted Kim's leadership. So, whatever it is, it's really a team effort. Yung leadership niya is because of her team also.
Bea, you anchored yung strong finish ng team in the fourth set. What worked naman well for the team after yung first set, marami yung errors, and yung second and third, nag-try yung makahapon din mo?
We went with teamwork talaga. Kasi we know naman that NU has been doing well the past few games. So what we wanted to do talaga was taas na yung bola and gagawin ng parang hindi lang yung spiker, mas magaganda. Because that's what also Coach always does, is better the ball all the time. Kasi wala ka naman magagawa eh. Kung nataas na receive, nandun na yan. What will we do about it? Kailangan ko lang yan every time. Every single time the ball goes up. Yung mindset mo na hindi naman kailangan patay kagad yung patience yun na unti-untiin mo until makakuha ng talagang maganda. Sige, follow. But at the end of the day, talagang teamwork na communication talaga on court and yun, talagang better than ball and patience.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless us.
I caught it.